Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Came here with another reaction. Different reaction. Today, guys, we're with Alkaline, Obeah. This song, obviously, you see me react to the all I want them now. All I sang them now. And this song was in the comment section multiple times. This is one of my favorite songs as well from Alkaline as well. From them time, the dancehall was big on lyrics. Like it wasn't a lot of melodies. There wasn't so big on melodies. It was mostly lyrics. And them time, Alkaline have to prove himself. Say, yo, listen, I'm bad no bumbo clot. I'm gonna show you some bad. So Obeah on the desert rhythm. You see we do the ready on the desert rhythm earlier on. So I will pin that at the end of the video, and you can go and watch that. So let's go jump to the one and hear with the GSN one. This is one of the all-time great number. So let's go.
I could have buck on me and me no know. It look like a witchcraft or voodoo. I mean, I know I make me love your son. I mean, I know I make me love your son.
Yo, that rhythm is just infamous. It just drive artists just start give you at least 4 to 8 bar, even not the intro of the rhythm. Like him, like there's so much space. Not in the intro of the rhythm, you have to just drop anything you say. And the master say, yo, man, know what make me love you so. What? Eh? I could have witchcraft or voodoo. Which one is it? Me don't know which one. I could have Pokemon. Me don't know. What is it? Why me love you so, baby? That's what I say.
I could have Pokemon. I mean, I know. It look like a witchcraft or voodoo.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I make me love your son. I mean, I know I make me love your son. Pokemon. I mean, I know.
Witchcraft, voodoo.
So tell me why me love your son. Hey, I know you don't to me. Bumbo clamo si yo, me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy son.
Yeah.
And me don't know what you do to me, girl, but every day me want pump ya. Me face yo, me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy son. And when me want you pick back up and go on, me still end up a pick all back ya.
A long time there's toxic relationship going on. Long time toxicity. Big words, toxicity. Long time toxicness are going. Long time people toxic in a relationship. Yeah, them big word than I work out for you sometimes. If you love it, you have to love the big word them sometimes. G, not work out for you sometimes. So the G tell us say, yo, me don't know what is it? How when me want you to pack up and go on, me still hang up and call back yo, babe, so you're there, where you there? Yo, come in, come here, come give me a check. I have something to show you, nothing to show you. Who'd me want in your belly?
Me want pump ya, me face yo, me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy son.
Ready for lyrics? Listen lyrics.
You get me stiffy. As me see you get me stiffy.
You get me stiffy. When me see you get me stiffy. As me see you, mama, me nature rise for you. Yeah, turn up, chung. Hey.
You get me stiffy. As me see you get me stiffy. Me look on your pussy and me eyeball them a quiz me so me can see it and your pussy tighty.
Yo, and the first me I go dissect the lyrics here and hear the thing that the G say. Yo, the boss say, me look for your pussy and me eyeballs a quiz me so me can see to your pussy tighty. Yo, bro, oh yeah, eyeball for your squeeze the dog. How are the blood clot?
You get me stiffy. As me see you get me stiffy. Me look on your pussy and me eyeball them a quiz me so me can see it and your pussy tighty. Me look on your pussy and me eyeball them a quiz me so me can see it and your pussy tighty. Your big body and your fat pum what me like say. What's when your jaws are try fi hide it? Too much jaw hang out that door and the pussy clump up and the jaws lay down inna your body.
Too much jaw hang out that door and your pussy clump up and your jaws are try fi hide it. What?
I could have buck on me and me no know.
What?
It look like a witchcraft or voodoo.
What?
I mean I know I make me love your son.
What?
I mean I know I make me love your son. Buck on me and me no know.
Yeah, witchcraft, voodoo.
So tell me why me love your son. Me don't know you don't to me. steady. Bumbo clam, see over you. Be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song.
Yeah.
And me don't know what you do to me, girl, but every day me want pump ya. Me feel see you, be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song. And when me want you pick back up and go on, me still end up a pick call back, yeah. Well, anyway, you get me stiffy. As me see you,
Picture this.
Me look on your pussy and me eyeball them a quiz me so me can say it and your pussy tighty. Your big body and your fat pum pum what me like say. What's when your drawers are try fi hide it? Too much teacher hang out that door and the pussy clump up and the jazz lay down in your body. Me get you full of vibes, this is cocky you come ride it. Me take off me boots and door before.
Can't get past about your blood clot. The way the rhythm drop out there, so Alkaline chip in and drop the line there, brother. That is an infamous line. Big up, not nice. Not nice. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself, bro. Listen what I'm going to do.
Them a quiz me so me can say it and your pussy tighty. Your big body and your fat pum pum what me like say. What's when your drawers are try fi hide it? Too much teacher hang out that door and the pussy clump up and the jazz lay down in your body. Me get
You hear the rhythm drop out there, sir? Yeah, deliberately done that.
your pussy tighty. Your big body and your fat pum pum what me like say. What's when your drawers are try fi hide it? Too much teacher hang out that door and the pussy clump up and the jazz lay down in your body. Me get you full of vibes, this is cocky you come ride it. Me take off me boots and door before me come inside it.
The man saying take off him boots and roar before him come inside it. Breathe your blood clot. Breathe your gal.
But me get you full of vibes, this is cocky you come ride it. Me take off me boots and door before me come inside it. Pussy wet so as me cocky tap in there it slide it. And then
Pussy wet. So as the cocky tap in there, slide. Banana kin in there. Slide.
me take off me boots and door before me come inside it. Pussy wet so as me cocky tap in there it slide it. And anywhere me dem me girl me want you there beside me. Upgrade you from germs to you in a wifey.
Because your pussy good. And the two body jar them hang on. Hang out of your jars and your pussy clump up. And your jars are trying to hide it. I go upgrade you from germs, turn you in a wifey. Yeah. You deserve it, mama.
And anywhere me dem me girl me want you there beside me. Upgrade you from germs to you in a wifey. Buy you anything you want, make you live lifey. Carry you on a tour, make you know how a flight feel. Put you on a level and you're done just your spiky.
I'm gonna carry up on a tour to make you know how a flight feel. I'm gonna show you the world. I'm gonna bring you sightseeing. When I'm selling out arenas across the world, you're gonna be there with me. Yeah. I'm gonna put you on a level that is higher than your spiky, that is higher than your heels. Yes, mama. Higher level you're there now. Yeah.
Carry you on a tour, make you know how a flight feel. Put you on a level and you're done just your spiky. Bumbo clam, see you, be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song. And me don't know what you do to me, girl, but every day me want pump ya. Me feel see you, be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song. And when me want you pick back up and go on, me still
Second verse.
call back ya. And anytime, girl, when me fuck you remind me again what make me love you.
Every time, baby. Every time. The sliding in your slippery and wet. You remind me of why me I deal with you. Why me I fuck you.
And anytime, girl, when me fuck you remind me again what make me love you. No other girl no give me head better than you. Not at all unless I buck she buck.
No other girl no give me head better than you, mama. Not at all. All when I buck she buck. Head, buck, head. You know, you get it?
No other girl no give me head better than you. Not at all unless I buck she buck.
Yeah.
When we are back, we back down up. Loud the ground up on the roof, fuck that son.
Loud the room, loud the bed. That for mama and papa. We are fuck everywhere. Outside on the house top in a mango tree. We are fuck everywhere. Apart from the bed and the room.
When we are back, we back down up. Loud the ground up on the roof, fuck that son. Fuck till we reach cloud nine, you know. So when we set on up the fuck, we literally fuck up.
Yo! You hear the G say where I go?
Fuck till we reach cloud nine, you know. So when we set on up the fuck, we literally fuck up. See cocky, you come ride it. Me take off me boots and door before me come inside it. Pussy wet so as me cocky tap in there, it slide it. And anywhere me there, me girl, me want you there beside me. Upgrade you from germs to you in a wifey. Buy you anything you want, make you live lifey. Carry you on a tour, make you know how a flight feel. Put you on a level and you're done just your spiky. Bumbo clam, see you, be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song. And me don't know what you do to me, girl, but every day me want pump ya. Me face you, be me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy song. And when me want you pick back up and
A 2 verse song you have, right? And a 3 verse, right? Yeah, 2 verse.
It look like a rich car for a bulldog. I mean, I know I make me love you so. I mean, I know I make me love you so. But come here, I mean, I know.
Yeah.
Witchcraft.
Yeah. Yeah.
So tell me why me love you so. Me don't know why you don't to me. Bumbo clam, see you, Obeah, me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy son.
Riddim change us up.
And me don't know what you do to me, girl, but every day me want back, yeah. Me feel see you, Obeah, me to rascal, me in a love with your pussy son. And when me want you pick back up and go on, me still end up a pick all back, yeah.
Me never realized that the Riddim change just saw the end. Not nice. That one that was sneaking. Me never realized. It changed at the end. But yeah, this is one of the classic Alkaline them from 2023. No, from 2013, sorry. Not about 2023. Decade. 2013. This is one of the classic Alkaline tracks them, bro. You see me? Yeah. Alkaline did have to go out on the Riddim, because the Riddim is a classic. It's a banger. You see me? Desert Riddim. Alkaline, Obeah. Baby. The fat pum a women likes it. Plus when your jaws are try to hide it. Two body just hang out that door and a pussy clump up on your jaws down in your body. Big girl full of vibes. What? Lyrics for days. Bucklat. Let me know in the comment section which other artists and song figure react to. Not because of Alkaline reaction this. Only can put other artists in the comment section, see me, you know. Only have to put the Alkaline again. Only can put a different artist in the comment section too, man. Because I'm a bad artist, you see me? But yeah, let me know in the comment section still. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait.
Jamaica's worst game.